I'm Tim Mullen, the lead master gardener at Slow Pour Brewing in Lawrenceville. I'm a retired science teacher, and right before I retired, people would ask me, what do you want to do when you retire? I said, I always want to be the guy at the brewery that pours the beer. So I came here after I retired, talked to them about volunteering. They said, well, we don't really have volunteers, but I'll give you a try. Come on in tomorrow and put labels on cans. So I put labels on cans for a while. They found out I was a master gardener and walked me outside and said, can you build us a beer garden? I said, well, there's nothing here, but I'll give it a try. The building that the brewery is in used to be a pants factory. So when the owners brought me outside, I saw this coal and I asked them what the coal was for. And they said that was for the boilers. But as a gardener, we had to remove that coal, bring in volunteers, Soil3, and then we ended up with all this. We've had people walking down the street and see the flowers and the berries and walk up to see what's up here. And they come into this garden and we start talking to them. But that's an example of the demonstration garden. We want people to come to our garden. We want people to linger in our garden and then learn while they're here, but also want to come back. So it's a multi benefit for the brewery because they want people to come, linger, and come back also. So it's a win-win between the two of us. We also have Arbor Day events, gardening classes inside. We have pollinator days. We have Ask a Master Gardener days. Our goal is to teach people. When we started using Soil3, trying to get the clay and the coal reconditioned so we could grow things, the first time we did it, we noticed a difference. So we started adding more. And now we're to the point where we do 2 bags a year, fall, spring, top dress the entire garden, and the results are speaking for themselves.